You blocked me on Facebook, and now you're going to die.
But the voices in my head go